Hello student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is the lesson second of your Moments book and the lesson name is The Adventures of Toto. So here Toto is a baby monkey who was bought by the author's grandfather, and what did he do at the homes of the author was is described in this story. In fact, Toto was a baby monkey that was so mischievous that it was unable for the others and his family to control him, and that's why they returned back to this baby monkey to its real owner. So let's see what the story about this mischievous baby monkey is. Grandfather. So student, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you that this story is about the Ruskin Bond, who is the great author of India. In fact, he was from the British descendant, but being Indian, he wrote so many stories related with children's literature and others animals. So let's see what he's saying about Toto in this story. Grandfather bought Toto from a tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So here's the author is saying that his grandfather bought the Toto from a tanga driver, यानी कि दादाजी ने टोटो को एक तांगे ड्राइवर से खरीदा था. In fact, he was so charming that you can say the tanga driver जो था वो इस मंकी को एक नाद फीडिंग ट्रे क्या होता है, जनरली द काइंड ऑफ पॉट विच इज़ यूज टू फीड दी एनिमल्स. तो जो टांगा ड्राइवर था उसी वो इस बंदर को उसी फीडिंग ट्रे के पास बांध कर रखता था. एंड दियर द मंकी वॉज लुकिंग so out of place, means it was not suitable for the monkey to be there, and that's why the grandfather of the authors bought the monkey, because he was the animals lover, and also he had a private zoo, and that's why the grandfather decided that he would add this monkey in his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Now, in this line, the writer describing the appearance of the Toto. Toto was a very pretty, cute monkey, and his brightening eyes that was always a sparkle. In fact, he was a kind of mischief, but his attracting eyes can attract anybody, and his teeth were can be compared with pearls white, means उसके जो दांत थे मोतियों जैसे सफ़ेद थे. But whenever he displayed these, yeah, whenever he displayed his teeth, it can terrify the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. लेकिन जब कभी वो अपने दांत को दिखाता था हंसते हुए, तो उन दांतों को देखकर जो ब्रिटिश इंडियन लेडीज थी वो डर जाती थी. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been picked in the sun of many years. But his hands, means the hands of the Toto, were not so charming attractive. In fact, it were looking as it had been dried up in the sunbeam. ऐसा लगता था उसके हाथों को किसी सूर्य की रोशनी में क्या किया गया हो, एकदम से सुखा दिया गया हो. In fact, they were so thin. And yet these fingers were quick and wicked. But spite of these things, इन सब चीज़ों के बावजूद उसकी जो उंगलियां थीं, that was so wicked, वो बहुत ही चापलूस थे, या आप कह सकते हैं वो बहुत ही फुर्तीले थे. And his tail, white, adding his good looks. और and जो टोटो का जो टेल था, it was adding beauty या charmingness in his appearing. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, and as it was told to Athar by his grandfather that a good tail add the beauty of any animals, कि जो टेल होते हैं वो किसी भी जानवर की सुंदरता को क्या करते हैं, बढ़ा देते हैं. Also served as a third hand, and generally animals used their tails as like a third hands. He could use it to hang from a branch and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Now, what Toto do with his tails? He always used his tail to hang from a branch to the another branch of the tree. Yeah, whenever he was unable to find something by his hand, he always used his tail to in that situation. Grandmother always fused with grandfather brought home some new bird या animals. So grandmother, the grandmother of the Athar was a very separate kind of lady, and she did not like any kind of animals in her house, and that's why she always got annoyed whenever grandfather bought any new birds या animals. इसीलिए दादी माँ कुछ अलग किस्म की लेडी थी, और जब कभी भी दादाजी कुछ नया जानवर या पक्षी लेकर घर आते थे तो ये उन्हें बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. So it was decided by the grandfather of the Athar. So अथर के जो ग्रैंडफादर थे उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि टोटोज bring up in the home will be in a secret from the grandmother. मानी टोटो का घर आना एक तरह से दादी माँ के लिए सीक्रेट रखा जाएगा until she was not in a good mood, जब तक कि वो एक अच्छे माइंड में नहीं हो जाती. ये एक तरह से सीक्रेट रहेगा कि एक नया जानवर घर में आ चुका है. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall. Now what the Athar and his grandfather did, they both keep this animal in the closest opening of the Athar's bedroom. उन्होंने उस टोटो को अथर के कमरे के एक छोटे से कॉर्नर में रख दिया. Where he was tied securely, or the Toto was tied very securely there. Yeah, so we thought to a peg fastened into the wall. या ये बस उनकी सोच थी कि उन्होंने टोटो को बहुत ही अच्छे से कमरे में सेटल कर दिया है. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. Now, both grandfather and Athar came to see the Toto again. What did they find? उन्हें क्या मिलता है? That the wall, which was decorated by some flowers या फिर decorated paper, it had been rooted out. In fact, the wall that was looking so beautiful and so attractive before the Toto's coming, now it had been totally got messy because it was all done by the Totos. Now stood out a naked brick and plaster. In fact, it was rooted out, damaged by the Toto as much that the bricks and plaster were appearing from that wall. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. At the peg, यहाँ तक कि जो दीवार में जो कील लगी थी, it also had been wrenched out. इसे भी निकाल लिया गया था. My school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in straight, and the school blazer of the Athar, which was hanging there, is also had been damaged by the Toto. इसे भी टोटो द्वारा डैमेज कर दिया गया था. I wondered what grandmother would say. Now the author is saying that what would happen with when grandmother would know something about these things. But grandfather did not worry. लेकिन the grandfather of the author, he was not any more worried. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. In fact, in the opposite of this, grandfather was so much pleased by the performance done by the Totos. He is clever, said grandfather. It was the response of the grandfather that he said that Toto is very clever. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. And Dada ji was saying, in fact, grandfather was saying, if we had given some more time to the Toto, यदि हमने टोटो को कुछ और समय दिया होता, definitely he would had make rope from your blazer, तो definitely वह तुम्हारे कोट से या ब्लेजर से एक रस्सी बनाता, and by using this rope, he would have been escape from the window, और उस रस्सी के सहारे वो इस खिड़की से भाग गया होता. His presence in the house is still a secret. Now, the presence of the Toto was still a secret from the other member instead of grandfather and the other. Means घर में अथर और दादाजी के अलावा सभी के लिए टोटो अभी भी एक तरह से सीक्रेट ही था. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter where a number of grandfathers pet lived very socially together. Now Toto was the place of the Toto has been transformed. अब टोटो का जो प्लेस था उसको चेंज कर दिया गया था. Now it had given the room of the servants' room. अब उसे नौकरों के कमरे में रखा गया था. Where grandfathers pet lived very sociably together. जहाँ पे दादाजी के बहुत सारे जानवर बहुत ही सामाजिक तौर से रह रहे होते थे. मीन्स इन दी सर्वेंट्स रूम देयर वेयर अनदर्स एनिमल्स दे वेयर लिविंग देयर वेरी फ्रेंडली वे. दादाजी के जो अन्य जो पक्षी थे वो नौकरों के कमरे में अच्छी तरह से रह रहे थे, बहुत ही सामाजिक तौर पर फ्रेंडली वे से. ए टॉर्टोइज, ए पेयर ऑफ रैबिट्स, ए टेम स्क्वायरल एंड फॉर अ वाइट माई पेट गॉट. सो व्हाट वर द एनिमल्स देयर? ए टॉर्टोइज, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet got, and a got that was brought in the home very recently. But the monkey would not allow any of his companion to sleep at night. But the monkey, Toto, it was a kind of animals that had not given any other animals to sleep very well that night. So grandfather, he who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Now, as we know, Toto was so mischief, so different type of animals. That's why grandfather decided that he would carry the Toto along with him in Saharanpur, where he had to collected his पेंशन. सो दादाजी ने ये डिसाइड किया कि उन्हें सहारनपुर जाना था अपना पेंशन कलेक्ट करने, तो उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि वो टोटो को अपने साथ लेकर जाएंगे. बिकॉज टोटो वाज वेरी मिस्चीफ एंड इट वाज अनेबल टू अदर टू कंट्रोल हिम. अनफॉर्चुनेटली I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. And now writer is saying that it was a misfortune that he could not go with his grandfather on that trip. हालांकि एक तरह से दुर्भाग्य था कि राइटर अपने दादाजी के साथ इस ट्रिप पे नहीं जा सके. बट ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट इट आफ्टरवर्ड. लेकिन आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हेन ही रिटर्न फ्रॉम देयर, जब वो वहाँ से वापस आए, तो व्हाट टोटो हैड डिड देयर, इट वाज टोल्ड टू द अथर बाय हिज ग्रैंडफादर. जो कुछ टोटो के साथ वहाँ हुआ या जो कुछ टोटो ने किया, ये सब अथर के दादाजी ने उसे बताया. ए बिग ब्लैक कैनवास किट बैग वॉज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर टोटो. यानी टोटो को एक बड़े से कैनवास किट में रखा गया था. दिस विथ सम स्ट्रॉ एट द बॉटम. इन फैक्ट देयर वेयर सम स्ट्रॉ had been spread in the bottom of this canvas bag. Became his new abode. You can say it had became a new abode for the Toto. Toto के लिए एक नया घर ये बन चुका था. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hand through this opening. Now, when the bag was closed, जब बैग को बंद कर दिया गया, there were not any room from where Toto can escape. Toto could not get his hand through the opening. In fact, Toto could not get his hand through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. And the canvas the layer was so strong that Toto could not bite it from his teeth. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor, occasionally jump into the air. What the Toto could do to be in this bag, that he only could roll out, could jump in the air. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. And at the Dehradun platform, a kind of exhibition was held because of this Toto, and a large crowd had been gathered there just because of the Toto. Now Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway stile, Toto suddenly pocketed his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Now Toto, who was in the canvas bag, it was very safely till the Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing ticket at the railway station, but at it was the railway station of the Saharanpur, and the grandfather had to show his ticket at the railway platform. Toto suddenly pocketed his hand. Yeah, Toto suddenly appeared from the bag, and the ticket collector, a white green, and the ticket collector who was there, now he became shocked by seeing Toto. The poor man was taken aback. Now the poor man, the TC, was totally surprised, yeah, shocked. But with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you." Now, because the TC was very mindful, yeah, you can say very presence of mind, and by the interference of the grandfathers, the he only said that, "Sir, you have a dog with you, आपके साथ एक कुत्ता है, so you have to pay for it accordingly, so that's why you also have to pay for the charge for this too." In vain did grandfather took take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog. Now, because grandfather now convinced the TC that it is not a dog. In fact, it is a monkey, and you cannot compare a monkey with a dog. Yeah, even as a quadruped. Toto was classified as dog by the ticket collector, but ticket collector was still on his opinion and trying to prove that this is a dog, and that's why the grandfather would have to pay for it. And 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Now at last grandfather had to pay 3 rupees as the sum of the fare. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag back, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" Now grandfather got annoyed, and being annoyed, he produced a tortoise from his bag and said to the TC, "Will you charge for this animals too?" The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." Now ticket collector, now he was noticed the tortoise very clearly, and after watching, yeah, notice very much, he said, "Nahi, it is not a dog, so you had not to pay for it." When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. Now, when the grandmother of the author had knew the reality, so what she did, she provided a better place to Toto. Now Toto was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he was living with a family donkey, and the family donkey name was Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. Now the first night, yeah, you can say the first day of day in the stable, the grandfather went to see the Toto if he was right or not. What did he find? तुम्हें क्या लगता है, वे क्या देखते हैं? To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible for a bundle of hay. Now, what did he find there? What did the grandfather find there in this table? What he was that the Nana, the family donkey, he was making strange behavior. In fact, he was trying to draw his head from in the tray. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across his haunch, and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. Now, grandfather gave him a slap on his back. Now, the Nana, the family donkey, now started again very strongly dragging Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. What had Toto did? Toto ने क्या किया था? उसने अपने दांतों से नाना के कानों को कस के जकड़ लिया था. दैट्स वाई नाना दी फैमिली डंकी वॉज बिहेविंग लाइक ए मैड animal. Toto and Nana never became friends. Now Toto and Nana were opposite behavior and they could not become friends ever. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. Now Toto was giving a great treat generally in the cold winter season. In fact, grandmother used to keep the hot water for the bathing of the Toto, and he would cunningly test the temperature with his hand. Now what the Toto did, Toto क्या करता था, first of all he used to measure the temperature of the water by his hand. वो अपने हाथों से पानी का टेम्परेचर नापता था. Then gradually step into the bath and after that he started step in the bath and after that वो नहाने के लिए उतरता था. First he proceed 1 foot, then the other, after that the other, as he had seen me doing, just as the Toto had watched the others doing, until he was into the water up in his neck. And Toto was doing so until the water was not to his neck. So student, you repeat and revise this lesson, and the next video we will cover the next paragraph of this lesson. Thank you.